Yo, what's up, guys? How are y'all doing? Let me make sure that is big enough right here. Wait, that changed it. Let me see this. I can trim it down. Alright, that looks better. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? That Tradeify live was absolutely insane. And these guys are, man, I appreciate Brett, all the Tradeify guys. Man, these guys are so, like, they're such good people. And man, the blessings from them has been just insane. So shout out to Brett, Vinny, Dan, insane. Thank you guys so much. But let's start with the stream, guys. We have a huge giveaway right now. We're gonna give away 12 accounts. All right, so we're giving away 12 accounts, guys. So 4 straight to Symphonite accounts. We have 4 gross and 4 advanced. These are all gonna be 50K accounts. So this is a pretty huge giveaway. I don't think anyone has done a bigger giveaway than that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I really don't think anyone have done a bigger giveaway than that, to be completely honest. But let's start right here. Let me just put in the chat here, because I want to see how many of us are in the stream and also how many likes do we have, because you guys know I'm going to press y'all to like this stream to have so I can give away more accounts. All right, so man, appreciate you guys for the love. Everyone who's here from Tradeify TV, man, appreciate you guys so much. Truly a blessing, for real. Wait, all right, that's good. Do I sound good, or is it a little bit echoey? I do this. All right, so right now, let me just go back and take a look at the trade that I took on Tradeify TV. So, I took this, right? Pretty simple framework, but I keep telling you guys that we only truly need to understand what a candlestick is, the open, high, low, close of it, to then know what is your drawn liquidity. So right here in this case, let me show y'all what I saw. We had this high being the previous weekly high. Here, if I go on the weekly chart, previous weekly high here, and also it's a daily high. Since it's a previous weekly high, it's a daily high also. So this line right here, for me, what I see in the market is highs and lows. If you reject them, you play a reversal. If you break above them, you play continuation. So let's say this is the range. So then what happened was that we tapped that high and we immediately started to see weakness. So this is where I want to short. But if I saw this, then I would want to see a pullback to then play a continuation play. That's pretty much, market structure. But yeah, that's what happened. So right here, we swept that weekly high, sorry. And what happened was that I went on the 15-minute chart, right? And what did I see on the 15-minute chart? I saw fair value gaps being formed. If I see fair value gaps being formed, I know that I could possibly target them because I know there's a lot of liquidity inside of it. I know that buyers were super aggressive right here, okay? From this first candle's up wick to this third candle's down wick, when price was trading right here, buyers were the one aggressive and were the one controlling the market. So at this point right here, we created an area where I can track where previous buyers entered in the market. So then when we tapped into this previous weekly high slash daily high, if you see signs of weakness at those highs right here, you want to trade back inside an internal gap, because buyers will be exhausted and sellers will start to step in the market because we're above highs. Okay, we're at a premium. If we're at a premium, then sellers, responsive sellers, will like that price and will start selling the shares. So right here, pretty simple framework. What I waited for was to see a lower time frame confirmation. Okay, so I went on the 2-minute chart and I waited to see what was going to happen when we sweep this high. So we sweep this high, and right here we form a bullish 2-minute fair value gap. What is it for value gap? Again, I'm using the same framework. Here on the 15, a bullish fair value gap for me is aggressive buying. Same thing here. If we create a 2-minute fair value gap, it means that there is a lot of buyers right here. It's buying pressure. So here I can locate where my buyers are in the market from this candle's up wick to this candle's down wick. Okay, it's a 3-candle pattern. A fair value gap is a 3-candle pattern where the up wick of the first candle does not touch into the down wick of the third candle. It lets a gap. This gap tells you aggressive buyers are located right here. If we are truly bullish, we should respect the zone to create a new high. If we're bearish, we will disrespect it and we'll possibly see price going lower. What is my target if I think price is going to go lower? An internal gap, okay, where previous buyers were located, because they will have their limit orders right there, because they will defend their position since they were in buys right here, aggressive buys. So right here, what happened, sorry, what happened was that we disrespected this gap pretty aggressively. Okay, we wicked here, and then as soon as I saw a candle closure right there, I paired up the inversion for value gap plus the open high-low close on the 15-minute. What do I mean by this? Every single candle has a open high-low and close, which means that for me, when I'm above a previous weekly high, I expect price on the 15-minute to open, so to accumulate first, drive up to sweep buy side liquidity, flip below the opening price, hold, and then keep going down to close bearish. This was my thesis. So basically, I anticipated that this candle was going to close bearish on the 15-minute chart. That was my initial plan. So when I saw this, I entered into this move. So I was willing to predict one candle. That was only my framework right here. So this gap, if we disrespect it, I could be in a situation where this candle on the 15-minute chart will flip, and if it flips, it will go down towards an internal fair value gap. Okay, so then right here, I wanted this candle to be bearish and to flip below the opening price, which is right here. Okay, but what happened was that as soon as I got my entry, here's the opening price, we flipped. So this candle at the moment where I entered was a open high, so that candle was trading bullish, right here. And then as soon as I entered, this candle was looking like this. This is why I trusted it, really. It was a open high flip below the open. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, okay, right now this is the level where if we hold as a seller, we will most likely close like this, boom, distribute, and then close. And as soon as I have that close, we will most likely see a drive back down towards an internal gap anyways. So this was my prediction. I predicted a open high low close of a 15-minute candle using liquidity pools. So then unfortunately what happened was that we held the open. Buyers were strong. So I wanted to see the close of that 15-minute candle if we were going to close back inside the previous candle's range, which happened right here. As soon as I saw that, I was confident that my trade was going to go to TP. So right here, boom, as soon as I saw this, I was like, damn. But when I looked at the 15-minute chart, this is why I was looking at the 15-minute chart on stream. It was because if that 15-minute candle would have closed above that previous candle's high, I would have had no reason to be in this trade, because my drawn liquidity is not going to be this internal fair value gap if we close strongly above the buy side. All right, so right here we closed back inside the range. What do I expect? I expect the next candle to open right here and then to drive back down towards the internal gap, because there's a lot of buyers. Okay, that was pretty much my framework behind why I took this trade. So boom, this was, when you pair up inversions, you don't want to trade inversions just based on the candlestick pattern. I will show you why you cannot do that. And even if it's a good candlestick confirmation, you cannot do that. You need a framework. Okay, your way of reading price plus your entry model will lead to profitability, but not just the entry model. So then here we held the open. If I go on the 1-minute chart, we held the open, and then we had what we call a change in state of delivery. We closed below that order block, so we created here a high, low, higher high, if we're truly bullish, we should hold this box here, the previous area. So the last down move before we broke structure to the upside, what happened was that we closed below. So this zone right here on the 1 minute chart could act as resistance to then drive back down towards internal lows. So what I did was that I was pretty confident right here when I saw this close on the 1 minute chart. So I was already in the trade around, I was in the trade on the pullback. So right here, and I had a soft stop. I did not have a hard stop, and I had a soft stop because I needed to see the 15-minute candle close before I was willing to trim out of that trade. So boom, and then unfortunately, since that trade, that candle didn't flip, I needed to exit earlier at a negative RR. I had no other choices to do anything else. So right here, boom, as soon as we tapped that gap, I got out. Perfect. I got my piece of the pie. Of course, in this trade, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. I wanted to see a flip, hold, and then I would have held more. But right here, I had to cut it off right here on this 15-minute gap. That's my framework. That's how I trade. So yeah. Is there any questions on that? I will show you guys also like another possible opportunity. Let's say here you were only pattern trading inversion for value gaps. Like right here, let's say you took a loser on this one, right? You would have taken a loss. Why? Because you don't understand the the overall framework of why price is going to a certain liquidity pool, right? You just want to enter based on the 1 minute chart, and sometimes if you are not, the market will be so hard to read on the 1 minute chart that you will just get chopped up. So right here, the best thing you could have done was just go with the higher time frame analysis and then scale down to a lower time frame to find an entry. So right here, let's say you were pattern trading inversions. We were bearish. I was expecting a bearish distribution right here on the hourly. I called it out. So right here failed, another failed, and another failed for value gap here. So it shows you that pattern trading inversion for value gaps will not make you profitable at all. Okay, it's literally the other way around. So what do you want to do? You want to lock in on a framework, a similar framework. Every time you step in the chart and you look at the chart, you want to read the chart the same way as you did yesterday. What is my 15-minute chart telling me? What is my 1 hour chart telling me? If you're using the 1 hour chart, scale down to a 5-minute to find any confirmations. If you're using, a 15-minute chart, go down to a 1 minute chart. If you're using, let's say if you're a super scalper, which I think is pretty hard, but you would use the 5-minute and the 15-second. Pair up a framework of reading price, sweeping highs and lows, rejecting them, creating gaps, going into internal lows, etc. So this whole framework is what gonna make you, find consistency, not just the entry model. People are looking at the 1 minute chart thinking that, price will get to a certain level just because there's equal highs. It's not that easy. All right. Everyone would have been rich if, price would draw back to equal highs all the time. And, it's not that easy. You need a framework on the higher time frame to be able to read price. And as soon as you have that in play, it doesn't mean you're going to be profitable immediately. All right. You just want to build on that. All right. You want to be 1% better every single day. You find your framework, then you're going to start losing. It's going to be inevitable. You're going to lose your trades. You're going to have bad months, losing streaks. But then what do you need? You need data. As soon as you have data, you have a lot of pictures of what your trades, the trades that you took, so what your trades actually look like, your winners, your losers, all in a folder. Then you go back to that folder, and that work, when you're going back to that folder with all your losses, you're gonna find something that is recurring in those losers. You will find that your losers are all the same. You will find that there is something in common with your losers, and then you will add a rule. And that rule, what will that do to your system? It will lower the amount of trades you're going to take in a week, in a day also. But this is what's going to make you profitable most likely. So build a framework. We don't care about the entry model. You could use anything. All right. So oh my god, 144 people. and I appreciate you guys so much. Please just spam that like button. We're already at 107. We're gonna do a giveaway right now of one advanced, one growth, and one straight to sim funded account right now. If we have 115 likes, all right. I'm gonna, I'm gonna press y'all for to like this stream, all right. Is there any questions, guys? Sorry, when I was explaining, I couldn't read the chat really. So if you guys have any questions, just type them out right now, and I'll respond to them. All right. Let me see. But man, I appreciate you guys so much for showing up to the stream, especially if you're from Tradeify TV. Man, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Let me see here. The chat. Yeah, subscribe. Yo, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Come on. So yeah, also on the shorts that I took earlier, I don't just use inversion for value gaps, out of nowhere. Right here, to be honest, if you want me to be completely honest, this was a trade that was pretty good, but it was still risky. If I wanted it to be the best possible trade, I would have waited for that full candle to close on the 15-minute chart to know whether I should short or not. Right here, I took the decision that, okay, we just inverse this gap. This is where we should see the cover. So boom, I stepped. But right here, it was definitely a trade that I took knowing that it could be a potential squeeze here, okay? Because it was early. It was taken at 10:08 when the 15-minute candle closes at 10:14 and 59 seconds. Knowing this, it's going to be a little bit a harder trade. I knew that when I took that short. So what happened was that we saw an SMT divergence at those highs. What does that tell me? It tells me that NQ and ES should have the same exact price action. They're correlated pairs, and if NQ is making a higher high and NQ is making a lower high, that means that it's a possible reversal, signal that ES and NQ are not trading the same. So you have a possible reversal opportunity. Okay. So I thank you guys so much. So right now we're at, let me see the amount of likes I have, 138. Holy shit. All right. So giveaway right now. Let me just log into this. All right. I'm gonna log in here. All right, so I'm gonna put a word. All right, I'm just gonna type down the word, the key message, all right, that you guys need to type in the chat, and once you type it, you will be in the queue for the giveaway. All right, you will immediately enter the giveaway. So right now I'm waiting for it to load. Just 2 seconds. I don't know why it's not loading. Holy shit, wait. I don't know why it's not loading actually. Wait. All right. So let me just go here. I'm sorry guys, because I literally I had the website, but I don't know why it doesn't let me go. So I just re-downloaded it. So here I go on widgets, tombolas, and then I'm gonna write down a word. So let's damn. Why does it not work? Wait, guess. Oh my. The moment I'm doing the giveaway, the bot rigs is lagging. Like, what is this? 2 seconds. I'm gonna figure it out. But okay, so boom. Let's say I do this. Okay, so I put this. All right. Okay, let's try it. The keyword is gonna be a must. Just try it right now. Okay. Okay, and if you sub, it's gonna be 2x. So go. Just try it. Spam a must in the chat. Hopefully we have participants right now. Just spam a must. Okay, yeah. Okay, it works. Holy shit, bro. I was gonna tweak out. All right, that's good. Lock in, lock in. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna share this. Boom. Add. All right, so I'm gonna share a new screen here. So a must, spam a must in the chat right now. We're doing a giveaway of one advanced, one growth, and one straight to sim funded account. 50Ks, all right, 50Ks. And if you're subbed, it's 2x, so you have two chances of winning. Okay, twice the chances of winning. So right here we have, okay, we have 144 participants. Let's go. Come on, guys. 166 people in the chat. And lock in. Let's go. All right, all right. So I'm going to share the screen right now. So boom. All right. Now you will be able to see. The thing is in French, GG's. But yeah, so that's the thing that I'm gonna use. So 164 participants right now. All right, so right now it will be for a 50K advanced account. I'm gonna start in literally let's say 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, I'm gonna launch it, and then we're gonna do 50K advanced growth and straight to sim. Then I'm gonna ask you guys to keep liking it. So like the next target will be 200, and then at 200 I'm gonna give away again 3 accounts. It's like the straight to sim guys are gonna be, it's gonna be crazy. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna start right now. 175 people, more than what we are on the stream. So I know people just logged into second account, so not that deep, but let's go. All right. So here, go. $50K advanced right now. Who's gonna win? Star shot. Star shot. Come on, you have 60 seconds to type in the chat. This is what we see here. If you don't type in the chat, you're cooked. I'm gonna give away the account to someone else. So type in the chat, star shot. You have to type in the chat. As soon as you're gonna type in the chat, it will just it will show it on the screen. So you have still a few seconds to type in the chat, and you typed. Let's go. So star shot. For me to give you that account, I need to see your email when I click on your profile. All right. When I click on your profile, make sure the description of your YouTube channel is your email, and then I'm gonna send you the code by email, which is gonna give you access to the account. Okay, it's gonna be a code. All right, second giveaway right now. 170 people. Let's go. All right. After I'm gonna switch the code for the straight to sim funded accounts because No, everyone is going to be trying to rig that. Everyone is going to be logging in 5 accounts. So um, I'm going to change the word for straight to Symphonite accounts giveaways. So right now, 50K growth, still the same code, which is Amos. Let's get right into it. Boom. Who's gonna win the second 50K account? This is a growth which you don't even have to pay any activation fees. An account worth $97, so $90 with Trade King LFT. Looking for team or looking for trio. I don't know what it is, but you have 60 seconds to type in the chat. Lock in Trader King. Nice, you typed, so we're good. So we have our second winner of the 50K growth account. Now I'm gonna switch the word for the 50K straight to sim. I don't care. I don't care. Even if you logged in 7 accounts, you're cooked right now. So the next code will be, let me think about a code. What do you guys think should be the next code? I will let you guys tell me. Type in the chat what you guys think should be the next code. A lot of Amos PFT. All right, we're gonna do PFT. All right, PFT, which is the name of my community, so my Discord. So we're gonna do PFT for the word, for the straight to Symphonite account. This is no joke. All right. So wait. Bruh. GG's. Alright, so PFT is the word right now. You guys can see it. Every time I switch the word, I don't exactly know how to do it, but it's gonna like this, I think. So you have 1 minute to type PFT in the chat. Spam it. Alright. Keep spamming PFT in the chat. Lock in, guys. This is for a 50K straight to Symphonite account, which is worth around $380 with code Amos. So yeah. So make sure you guys know that every time you buy a Tradeify account, you can use code Amos for the highest discount if you like your boy. So if you don't like me, then just use another code. But if you like me, use code Amos. It will your win rate will be higher immediately. All right. So right now 179 people for the 50K straight to Symphonite account. I'll wait for it to be like 200. At 200, I will launch it immediately. All right. Come on, guys, lock in. I will stand up for this one because this one's a big one. All right, guys. Oh my, come on. 197, 3 more, and we start the giveaway. 99, in 1 I start. Literally the next one I start, so at 200 I start. Let's go. All right, bet. Let's go. Lock in, gang. Melissa Blazak. Yes, sir. You have 60 seconds to type in the chat to claim your 50K straight to Symphonite account. Let's go. Melissa, you need to type in the chat right now. 40 seconds. A lot of people are praying for you to not type. I'm telling you. Congrats. Come on, come on. Damn. Melissa, what are you doing? 22 seconds. Oh, she typed. She typed. Let's go. Let's go. So, Melissa, you won a 50K straight to sim funded account. So, just gonna recap it. Trader King, looking for a team, won a 50K advanced account. All right. No. What am I saying? Trader King LFT won a 50K growth. Sorry. Starshot won a 50K advanced, and Melissa won a 50K straight to sim funded account. All right. These are the first three winners. Now I'm gonna request a like, to spam that like button, so we can do the second giveaway. Okay, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna give away all the accounts if we have enough likes. All right. So, right now we're at 177. For me to do the giveaway, I need 200 likes. 200 likes. So I see 192 people in the live. I need bare minimum 200 likes. So yeah, we're gonna wait until we have 200 likes. So if you want to log into your mom's YouTube channel or your sister's YouTube channel, do what it takes. Well, I need to see that 200 mark. Oh my god. Oh god. Yo, it turned from 170 to 195 in like 1 second. Holy shit. Come on, guys, lock in. So we need 5 more likes. And then we do the second giveaway. So it's going to be 3 more accounts. It's going to be a 50K advanced growth and straight to sim funded account. All right, 212 likes. Lock in, guys. All right, we're doing another word for that. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do Brett. All right, in honor of the CEO, Brett Simbas. Oh shit. So here, the word is gonna be Brett. So boom, spam Brett in the chat, BRETT. All right, I will type it down in the chat right now. I can't even type it. I gotta type it on my phone, but yeah, just spam Brett, BRETT. All right, and this is gonna be the word for the 50K advanced and 50K growth account. Lock in, gang. That could be huge, actually. Come on. $150 people at around in like 1 minute. I will start it. All right, come on, guys. Those giveaways are actually so fun. Yo, tell me if this is not the biggest giveaway on Tradeify. Possibly like on Tradeify TV launch, it was way bigger, but from a singular guy, I don't think anyone has given 12 accounts on the same day. But I didn't do anything. Shout out to Brett, Vinny, Daniel. So yeah. Also, guys, what I think I will do for the culture, basically, I will try to just say, let's say we're gonna do a number. I'm just gonna type down a number. Okay, I'm gonna hide it. Okay, I'm gonna hide the number from 1 to like 300, and then if you win, then I'm gonna send you the account. All right, this is gonna be so nice, but it's gonna be super hard to win though. But one thing I'll do, I think, for the next, I think the next, or one of the next straight to sim funded account giveaway, I'm gonna type down a number from, let's say, 1 to 300, and if you get it right, it will appear immediately on the thing. So yeah. All right, guys. Perfect. So 203 guys. Thank you guys so much, man. I really appreciate the love. Right now we're giving away a 50K advanced and 50K growth account. Right now, let's start it. Boom. 50K advanced right here. Let's see who's gonna win. Come on, come on, come on. Zach. Wait. Zach Chestercon. Chestercon. Let's go. You have 60 seconds to type in the chat. Lock in, Zach. You gotta lock in your account right now. I'm gonna do this so you guys can see how many seconds. Okay, that's good. All right, Zach, you just won a 50K advanced account. All right, make sure that you have your email in your YouTube description. All right, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go back in this stream, find your YouTube channel, and then I will add you. And if I don't see your email, there is no way for me to contact you. So I need to see your email. Now we're doing the giveaway for the 50K growth. Come on, let's go. Still code Brett. 50K growth is better in my opinion. No activation fees. Better drawdown. Come on, come on. Bro, the names are hard to say. Madhu Skaria. Madhu Skaria. Let's go. W's for Madhu. Alright, he typed. So we just saw who won the giveaway for the 50K advance and the 50K growth. Now we're gonna switch the word for the 50K straight to sim funded account. Let's go. So guys, type in the chat what word I should use. Actually, I like that. Type the word I should use. All right, we're gonna do yeah. The word is gonna be S2F, so straight to funded account. This is gonna be the word. So boom, say straight to funded. So this is the word for the straight to sim funded account giveaway. Let me just do this. All right, straight to sim. We have 1 minute. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute. Lock in. We're 194. I appreciate you guys so much, for real, man. Grateful for that. Let's go. This is a account that is worth around $380. Again, with code Amos. So without code Amos, it's like $509. So lock in. The word is S2F. If you want to win a 50K straight to sim funded account, make sure you type that in the chat right now. I'm gonna start it in around like 1 minute. All right. On the next, I'm gonna do on the next giveaway. I'm gonna do a number for the straight to sim. That's gonna be so dope. It will be like a number from like 1 to 300. Because if I do 200, it will most likely be a lot of people that will win on that number. All right. If two people, let's say two people have the same number, all right, which should be crazy if it happens. I would be super surprised. But if it happens, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna scale down to one, let's say a number from 1 to 10, and it's gonna be a 1v1 battle. All right, spam straight to funded accounts. In 15 seconds, we will know who's gonna win that account that is worth around 380 bucks USD. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. So we are at 234 likes. You guys are insane. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna start it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. God. Oh my God, guys. Cryptoguru. Let's go. Cryptoguru, you have 60 seconds to type in the chat. If not, you're cooked, and I'm gonna give the account to someone else. Congrats, but you gotta type in the chat right now. Let me just do this. Boom. You will see. You have 33 seconds, bro. Come on. 32, 27. Oh my. Is that gonna happen? Crip. He's trying to find the password of his 7 account. Oh, he clutched. Good job, Crip. You won that 50K straight to funded account. Let's go. All right, so we just gave 6 accounts. We're gonna keep giving away accounts. I just need right now, I need a like number. All right, so I'm gonna go in the stream, and I see that we have 243 likes. So next number to hit, I know you guys can, it will be 265. I need 20 more likes. 21. So we're at 244. I need 265, because the next one will be 300. I don't care. If not, I'm not giving away the last 6 accounts. The last 4 accounts. Right now we still have 8 accounts to give away. All right. So lock in. I see 245 likes. Now I need 260. All right. 265 is high, but 260 bare minimum. All right. So at 245, share the stream. Share the stream on, on Twitter, whatever you want. But everyone needs to see that. And the next word is going to be different. Next word is going to be different. So right now we're at 252. So you got to do what it takes. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're almost 200 on the stream, which you can see we are around 230 when we're doing the giveaway. So that goes to show that some people are doing overtime to to log in some second or third YouTube channels. 255. 5 more likes. Come on. 5 more likes and we do the giveaway. 4 more accounts. Oh, so 3 more accounts, sorry. So right now I gave away 6. So 2 straight to sim, 2 50K growth, 2 50K advanced. Right now I'm going to give away another 50K advanced, 50K growth, and 50K straight to sim. But for the straight to sim, guys, it will be a number from 1 to 300 most likely. All right. So if you get it right, it will appear immediately. I will just hide it, but if you win, you'll know it. All right. Come on, lock in, guys. We need 260 likes. All right, guys, let me just see how many likes do we have right now. We have 258. We're not locked in. And I know there's some people here that are not subbed into the channel. You guys know that if you're subbed to the channel, so if you follow Amos PFT on YouTube, you have twice the number of chances of winning. So if someone here is not subbed, you only have one time. So let's say you type down S2F, you have 50% chances of winning when someone else has twice the number. So all right, how much are we? I need 260. All right, come on. We are at 267. All right. You guys are incredible. All right. So the word right now for this trade, let's say, no, we're going to do 50K advance and growth is going to be the same word. We're going to use word, what is it? No, it's not right now it's not the number, all right? It's not the number. The number is going to be for the straight to sim funded account, all right? Number is going to be straight to sim funded account. But right now we are doing a word, so it will be, the word will be Tradeify. Tradeify, all right? So the word will be Tradeify for a 50K advance and 50K growth account, all right? So right now we have already 6 winners, which is nice. So I think if I do this, no. So Tradeify, I need to see people using Tradeify right now as the word. In 30 seconds I will start. All right, 30 seconds, lock in. And you can already start thinking about your number. It will be a number from 1 to 300, okay? And if you win, it's GG's, all right? It's gonna be GG's. If someone gets the same number as you, then it will be a 1v1, or like, let's say a free-for-all from 1 to 10. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Let's say if there's like 3 people that get the same number, which I think is not gonna happen, I will do a 1v1 battle for 1 to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10 basically. So right now we are 217 on the stream. We're 191. I will start in 5 seconds. All right. So for the 50K advance and 50K growth, let go. Come on. All right, let's go. So right now, I'm gonna type that down here. Let's go. 50K advanced and 50. So this is a 50K advanced. All right, let's go. Ashir Mujud. Ashir Mujud. Come on, congrats, 50K advance. You have a few seconds to type in the chat. 46. Bro, what? We are 228. Let's go. Come on, guys. So, you have 30 seconds right now. You gotta type in the chat Ashir Mujud if you are here. If not, I will redo it again. 20 seconds. Damn. That could be bad. 15, yo. Lock in, gang. Ashir is not locked in. 9, 7 seconds to clutch. Oh! He clutched. Oh! Shit, he clutched. Damn. Yo, make sure you have no delay on the stream. Like, make sure you put it in live mode. Damn. All right. Let's go. Okay, so now it's gonna be a number. All right, I'm gonna hide that. It's gonna be a number. So if you have the right number, all right, if you have the right number, it will immediately appear on the literally on the right here. Okay, it will appear on participants. Okay, it's not like I'm queuing someone. All right, so or I can do just yeah, basically just a number. And then good luck. So it will be a number from 1 to 300. So let me just wait. Let me just redo it. Boom. You guys thought you could see that number, huh? Okay, so a number from 1 all the way to 300. All right. 1 to 300. All right, lock in, guys. This is for a 50K straight to sim funded account. All right, so let go. All right, we have what? I'll give you guys. I'll give you guys what? I'll give you guys 20 seconds still. Okay, 20 seconds, and then I'm just gonna show who won from 1 to 300. All right. I don't know if it's gonna appear well, but yeah, I don't think this is gonna make the cut though, because everyone is spamming numbers. So everyone could just get it, I think. I don't know if that's gonna make the cut, because I think if you just spam that number once, you're gonna get it. What are we gonna do with that? Let me think about something, because I don't know how to do the thing. Damn. Okay, what I'm gonna do, all right, is right now I give you guys too much time, so you guys are just spamming the number. So what we're gonna do, all right, you guys have 30 seconds. I will give you exactly the next thing that we can do, but basically I will restart it in literally 5 seconds, and it will be a number from, let me see. It will be a number from 500 to 1,000. All right. If we don't get it, then we're cooked. All right. So from 500 to 1,000. All right. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys 15 seconds. 15 seconds, guys. And if you don't get it, like I'm gonna start it in 15 seconds, because if not, too many people are gonna spam. So all right. Okay, I'm locked in. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five. I don't see anyone. I don't see anyone that has the number. All right. So we have a winner right now, and it is this guy. I don't know who you is, but it's Mark. So everyone spammed, but that guy got it correct. Nah, that Mark got it first. So I'm gonna give it to Mark right here. Yeah, so Mark, congrats. All right, you just won a 50K straight to sim funded account. Nice. Make sure you have, I see you, okay? Make sure you have your email in your YouTube description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go, come on. So now I'm gonna request again. A like request for the last giveaway. To be honest, guys, I actually didn't want to give away all those accounts, but the stream is just, it's just booming. So, all right. Okay, tell me, guys, do you guys like the number thing, or we should just come back to the normal, spin? Wait, I didn't give away the growth? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So Mark is the winner here. Shit, I didn't give out a fucking... Okay, so the word, what was the word back then? The word that I used was, okay, we're gonna do the spin, good. Because the numbers are like, you can get super lucky, and I know like, some people like it, but it was PFT, so shit, I'm so sorry guys, I didn't give out the growth, so I immediately went to the straight to sim. I was not locked in. But right now, let's see, we have Star Shot, okay, that won a 50K advanced. We have Trader King looking for a team that won a 50K growth. Melissa won a 50K straight to sim funded account. Then we have Zach Chess Turkon that won an advanced. Madhu that won... Am I tripping, guys? Yeah, Madhu that won a growth. Then Crip that won a straight to funded. Ashir that won an advanced. Then we have Mark right here that won the straight to funded account. So we still need to do the growth. And the word was, what was the word? What was the word, guys, that I used? I'm so sorry, I'm actually tweaking. Well, let me go back on the stream. What was the word that I used? Okay, it was Tradeify. Okay, the word's gonna be Tradeify. I don't wanna, I don't wanna, I'm so sorry, but right now I'm gonna give away the 50K growth, all right? So 50K growth right now. Let's do it. So 503, sorry. So it will be Tradeify. Tradeify, you have 1 minute. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute. Type down Tradeify, spam it in the chat, and as soon as we are done with this, I will need more likes than that. I will need you guys to spam the likes, share the stream, so I give away the last set of accounts. Let's go. That is like a giveaway worth more than like 2,000 USD, which is insane. Shout out to Brett, Dan, Vinny. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Let's go, guys. So I'll give you guys 1 minute to type down Tradeify in the chat. This is for the 50K growth. I typed down everyone who won right now. I said it like multiple times. But yeah. Okay, so we have 213 people. This is good. We are currently around 184, so that's good. Let's start right now. Here, Tradeify, let's go. Sandy, you won the 50K growth. You have 58 seconds to claim. Let's go, let's go, let's go. To be honest, I like the number thing. I really like the number thing. Sandy, you have 46 seconds, all right? 46 seconds. 37. You gotta lock in. Come on, Sandy. What are you doing? I gotta go to the bathroom real quick, guys. Right now, okay, Sandy just claimed it. Good job, Sandy. Make sure you have your email in your YouTube description. And as soon as I'm going to go back to the stream, I will add you and we'll send you an email with the code. So nice. We're gonna do the same thing. I really like the number thing, right? But you guys will have like 30 seconds maximum because everyone is gonna be like spamming a number, all right? But basically, I will give you guys such little time, all right? So right now, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, all right? Let me see how many we are in the chat, okay? Let me see how many we are in the chat. We are 191 in the chat. We have 284 likes for me to give away the last 3 sets of accounts, okay? So 3 accounts, 50K advanced, 50K growth, 50K straight to sim funded account. I need 305 likes. We're at 284. So right now I need way more likes than that. I need 305 likes. All right, 305 likes. Come on. Default delay is 8 seconds. Damn. So okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna come back right now. We need 305 likes. Come on. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, man, we lost some people, but all right. So right now we will do, what is it? The last 3 sets of accounts. So we have 305 likes. Let's go, guys. So right now we're gonna do, um, 50K advance and growth first on this. Let me just do the other command. So let me do this. Okay. So now the word will be we're gonna use the word ICT. All right, ICT. So boom, ICT for the word. You guys have 1 minute to spam ICT in the chat. All right, guys, ICT, spam ICT in the chat to get into this giveaway. ICT capital letters. Let's go. So we went to 305 likes. Let's go, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for showing up, giving, participating, and showing love. Thank you guys so much. You got to thank Tradeify for that. We're at 167 right now. 173. 15 seconds, and I'm gonna type that down in the chat. All right, we're at 213. We're 180 people on the stream, so let's get right into it. Let's start. Let's go. Last set of accounts, guys. This is gonna be huge. Oh my God! Jacob's trades. Let's go. Oh my God, he won. He actually won. Yo, Jacob trades. Jacob's trade is a guy from my Discord. Damn. Let's go, Jacob. Let's go. My brother won. Okay. So, you just won. To be completely honest, since you're a member of my Discord, I'm gonna give you the chance. Type down in the chat if you want a growth, if you want a growth or an advance. I'm gonna give you that opportunity right now. So just type down in chat, what do you want, either the advance or the growth, and that will be what I will send you. All right. I'm still waiting. I know there's a slight delay. Growth. All right, then you're gonna be sent the growth. So I just gave out the growth. Good job, Jacob. You actually won, which is crazy. Let's go. So Jacob won the growth account right here. You guys see. So I just need someone else. So this is for a 50K advance on ICT again, the same word. Let's go. Let's get right into it. Nahul, you have 58 seconds. Good job. You just won a 50K advanced account. Let's go, my brother. Let's go. Now we're going to do the number thing, but it will not be a number from 1 to 300. It will not be that. So Nahul, you have 35 seconds left to claim your 50K advanced account. If you don't, you're cooked. I'm going to give it to someone else. Lock in Nahul. 24. So congrats. I think people are stalling and to then click it at like 1 second. That could be it. 8, 7, 6. No way. Nahul, what are you doing, bro? He lost the password. Oh, hell no. Alright, ICT again. Let's go. Nahul, unfortunately, I cannot give that to you. You didn't lock in, bro. That's so unfortunate. But let's see who's going to win this. Oh my god. Futures Wiz, but I just saw one account. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay, Future Wiz, you have 45 seconds left to claim your gift. So your 50K advanced account with Tradeify. Come on, my brother. Oh my god, that could have been bad. Good job, Futures Wiz. Now it is time for the last 50K straight to funded account. All right, guys, I'm telling you, all right, it is. I'm gonna give you guys, on God, 25 seconds, okay? Because I know it's like, there's like 8 seconds of delay, all right? And when I'm gonna give you guys like 20 seconds to type, all right? You guys need to type. All right, you guys need to type a number from 1 to 2,000. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. We have a winner. We have a winner right here. We have a winner being, oh my god, another guy just went in, but unfortunately you went in second. But it is going to be The Cool Trades. I don't know who you are, but there is Benji that went in second, unfortunately, after the go. But The Cool Trades, type in the chat right now. I want to see. If not, I'm gonna send it to Benji. And Benji, I don't know if you're the guy from my Discord, but that would have been so fucking unlucky, bro. I just feel so bad. But and it will be The Cool Trades. Type in the chat. Yeah, I see you. So nice. So let me recap everything. All right, let me recap everything I remember. I have a good memory. Star Shot advanced. Trader King growth. Melissa straight to sim. Zach advanced. Madhu growth. Crip straight to sim. Ashir advanced. Mark, we don't see him, but I remember his name. Mark, I don't know who you are, but I'm gonna go back in the stream. Straight to funded because I fucked up on the order. Then we have Sandy winning the straight to funded account. Jacob's Trades decided to take the growth rather than the advanced. Futures Wiz with the 50K advanced. And then we have The Cool Trades. You guys can see he's at first. So this is the end. Unfortunately, guys, if you didn't win an account, Better luck next time. I'm gonna host way more giveaways, but that was absolutely insane, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm gonna end the stream right now, but I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in the stream, showing love on Tradeify TV. Go show some love on Tradeify, to Tradeify, to Brett, to all the people of that team. Truly amazing people here that built a really really nice prop firm, with the best rules in the game. We're really lucky to have those guys in the community. Like I said in the Tradeify TV show this morning, guys, we have the access to a community. We have access to people that have the same goals as us. Make sure you find someone that has, that wants to trade for a living, that wants to, that has a passion for trading, and grind with them. Okay, you have that chance right now to build up with a team, to have multiple brains in, working on the same model, helping each other to get to the next level. So this is what we have with Tradeify. We're a family, and hopefully, guys, you will try to find someone which is going to help you push in those difficult days, and help you, be accountable when, let's say, you overtrade, when you don't manage your risk well, etc. So I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in this stream, and also for the Tradeify TV show this morning. And I see you guys tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. for another stream, guys. Trading live this week. Thank you guys so much again. So grateful for that opportunity. See you guys on the next one. Make sure to use code AMAS, okay, for the highest discounts if you want to support me on Tradeify. You always have the highest discount using code AMAS, so AMAS. Thank you guys so much.